Are you planning PR to Australia? Well, then this video is for you. My name is Manoj Mata, father to a naughty boy, husband to a really supporting woman, a hotelier turned educator, now helping individuals get band score in IELTS who wish to go to UK, Australia or Canada. Well guys, in case you are planning to for a PR to Australia, then I want to tell you that you need 65 points out of 100. Unlike Canada, where you have to struggle for 67 points. Yes, the 2-point bonus, and the criteria is much simpler compared to Canada. So here I will begin the point system. So the first criteria being age. In case you have age less than 25, you can get 25 points. In case you have an age actually between 25 to 33, then you can get maximum point, which is 30, so which sort your half the problem of points. In case you have crossed 33 and you are somewhere between 33 to 40, then don't get disheartened, you still get 25 points. And in case you have crossed 40 till 45, you will have to manage with 10 points. Second criteria is IELTS. If your score is between 6 to 7.5, then you'll get 10 points. But in case you can score 8 or 8.5, you can get easily 20 points, which easily get you to Australia. Third being work experience. So in case you have 8 to 10 years of work experience, you can easily get up to 20 points. So here you can easily manage with these three criteria. You can manage to enter Australia. You're still struggling to get more points? Well, here are more criteria. Fourth, about education. In case you have a bachelor's degree, you get 10 points. In case you have a master's or a doctor's degree in a specific field, you can again get 10 more points. However, in case you do not have a master's or a doctorate degree in a specific field or a skill which is required in Australia, then you will have to settle for 10 points itself. Then another criteria which can help you get the PR. In case your spouse can again score between 6 to 7.5 in IELTS, then you can gain 10 points. And in case he or she can get 8.5 points, you get 20 points. By the way, in case you are not married, don't get disheartened, you'll anyway get 10 points bonus. And last but not the least, in case you are getting sponsorship from Australia, from your family, your friends or any state, then you get 5-point bonus extra points. So what are you waiting for? Start calculating your points now and plan Australia, because it is going to open soon.